Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and you've got to see this scalping strategy that I'm going to show you today. And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. So we're going to go ahead and open up a Euro USD chart with a 1-minute time frame. And the first indicator that we're going to add will be Alpha Trend. So let's go ahead and type in Alpha Trend, no spaces. And this is the one we want right here. As you can see, currently it has 12,827 users. Alright, let's add that. And for this indicator, we only want the buy and sell signals, okay? So let's go ahead and go to settings and style, and we're just gonna uncheck the boxes here, plots, two plot boxes, and the plots background box, alright? And also let's go to inputs, and we're just gonna go ahead and change the common period here to 50, and then hit OK. And now for our second indicator, we're going to go ahead and search for black flag. And we can see the swing arm ATR trend indicator. Let's add that to our chart. And so we're going to go ahead and go to the settings. And then we're going to go to inputs. And let's change the ATR factor to 4. And we're also going to change the ATR period to 50. And then we're going to just go to style, and we'll leave the trailing stop checked, but we're just going to uncheck all the other boxes below, okay? And then hit OK. So here we have the line from our black flag indicator, and whenever the line is red, we know that we're in a downtrend, and whenever the line is green, then we know we're in an uptrend, okay? And our third and final indicator will be MACD4C. Let's type that in. And this is the one that we want right here. We see it currently has 15,839 users. Let's go ahead and add this to our chart. And with this indicator, we see we have where the histogram is above the zero line, that indicates our uptrend, and whenever it's below the zero line, that means we're in a downtrend, okay? So now using these conditions, let's go ahead and take a look at our chart for some buy and sell entries. So if you see right here, you see that the market is above the black flag indicator line here, and the histogram from our MACD4C is above the zero line in green, and we have a buy signal, so we can see that this is a good buy signal at this point. And if you take a look over here, you see that the price action is below the red line for our black flag indicator, and you see that the histogram for our MACD4C is red and below the zero line, and we have a sell signal here from our alpha trend indicator, so we see that this is a great sell signal again. Alright, here's another section where the histogram for the MACD4C is above the zero line, and the market is above the green line for our black flag indicator, and we have a buy signal right here, okay? So this would be a very good buy signal. And if you take a look right here as well, here's the market going down below the black flag, the red line for our black flag indicator, and we have the histogram below the zero line here. And if you take a look, here's a sell signal from our alpha trend indicator, so you see another great sell signal at this point. And we could also take a look at our GBP USD chart. And if you take a look right here, our alpha trend is giving us another buy signal, and down here you can see the MACD4C is above the zero line, the histogram is green and above the zero line, and also for our black flag indicator, the line is green, and we have our market going above that. Okay, so we know here's another great buy signal. And take a look right here, you see that the sell signal is here, our black flag indicator is red, and the market is going downwards. And down here, the MACD4C histogram is below the zero line, okay? So this is another great sell signal at this point. So you could check out this strategy, guys, and hopefully get some profitable results, okay? So thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.